There are two brush caps that secure your tool's motor brushes. The brush caps thread into the brush holders to hold the brushes in place. Most problems with the brush caps occur when they are being removed or installed. If a cap is over-tightened, the slots for the screwdriver can be stripped or cracked. Over-tightening can also cause the entire brush cap to crack in half. It is easy to cross-thread the cap and damage its threads. Replacing the brush cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush cap from the brush holder. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the brush cap. Now I can install the new brush cap. I'll compress the spring back into the brush holder and make sure I align the ears on the brush with the brush holder itself. With the brush in place, I'll place the cap over the brush and secure it with the screwdriver. I like to rotate it backwards until I hear the threads click into place. That way I know I won't cross-thread it. And I'll repeat this process on the other side. And that's how simple it is to replace the brush cap on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.